Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another adulteration experiment, that is your detection of artificial sugar syrup in honey. And the method that we are going to use for the detection of this is known as a Fieh test method. Okay. So first of all, we have to know that what is this adulterant? Why this invert sugar are act as a adulterant? Okay. So simply the answer of this question is that this adulterants are a substance which are added into the food product to increase the quantity of that product. Okay, but when the adulterants are added into the food product, the quality of the food product decreases. The nutritional value of the food product decreases. Here, why manufacturer added this artificial invert sugar into the honey? The reason behind this is only to increase the quantity of the honey, to increase the sweetness of the honey, to increase the flavor of the honey. Okay, and manufacturer also cut off the cost of the honey by adding this artificial invert sugar syrup into the honey, because the cost of the this artificial invert sugar syrup is very less as compared to the honey. So they eliminate the good ingredients of the food product with the bad ingredients, because it also affect the nutritional value of the honey and also affect the health of the human being. Okay, that's why it is very important to detect that artificial sugar syrup into a honey. So for performing this experiment, we required two chemical. One is your diethyl ether, that is your diethyl ether, and another one is your resorcinol. Okay, now this resorcinol should be prepared freshly. When you are performing the experiment, at that time you have to prepare this resorcinol, and for the preparation of this resorcinol, what we have to do, we take a 1 gram of resorcinol and dissolve into a 100 ml of the concentrated HCl. Now again, when you are handling the concentrated HCl, you have to take a extra care, because this concentrated HCl are corrosive in nature. So when you are handling it, you have to wear a proper gloves, proper mask, otherwise it will damage your skin, and if it is absorbed by your skin, then it will cause irritation in your skin and also burn your skin. That's why it is very important, when you are handling this concentrated solution, then you have to wear proper gloves, and you have to avoid to inhale the fume which is generated inside the concentrated solution. Okay, you have to take care of your eyes, because this concentrated HCl can also damage your eyes. Now for performing this experiment, we required a petri dish and beaker, and this micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml micropipette tips, and weighing balance, and obviously the honey as a sample. Now what we have to do, we we take 5 ml of honey into a beaker and add 5 ml cold water into it. Then after that, we add a 10 ml this diethyl ether for the extraction, and then we transfer this solution into the petri plate, and we decant the ether, and we kept this petri plate in a standby position so that the ether will evaporate. When all the ether are evaporate, and how you detect it? By smelling it. You can smell it, that the amount that the ether are evaporated. Now we again add we again dissolve that residue which just present into a petri plate by adding 5 ml of the this diethyl ether again. Then we add a 2 ml of the resorcinol solution. If the artificial invert sugar syrup are present in our honey, then the solution turn pink color, which indicate that the presence of that artificial invert sugar. Now with the help of the weighing balance, I am going to take a weight of the honey. Now keep the beaker into the weighing balance and don't forget to tear the weight of the beaker. Now add 5 ml or 5 gram honey. This is 5 gram honey. Now add 5 ml cold water into it. Now this cold water are added with the help of this micro pipette. One, two, three, four, five. Now extract it with the help of the diethyl ether, and the amount of the diethyl ether will be 5 ml. Sorry, it will be a 10 ml. Mix it properly. Now take 10 ml of diethyl ether with the help of the measuring cylinder. Now this is 10 ml. Now add this diethyl ether into the mixture. Now we transfer this mixture for the evaporation of the ether into the petri plate, because we all know that when we increase the surface area, then the rate of the evaporation will also increases. But we do it when it is completely dissolved. Now we have to leave it for a evaporation purpose. Now after some time, the ether are evaporated and we only get the residue. See that in a petri plate, you see that the residue are there. Now we dissolve this residue again with the help of the this diethyl ether. So for that I'm going to add a 5 ml of diethyl ether into a petri dish. One, two, three, four, and 5. Now after that we have to add a resorcinol solution into it, and we are going to add a 2 ml of this resorcinol solution. If it turned pink color, then it means that it is adulterant with the artificial invert sugar. Now we have to mix it very properly. But you can see that there is no development of the pink color, which means that our honey are not adulterant with that artificial invert sugar syrup. So this is all about the detection of the artificial invert sugar syrup into a honey. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms. That is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn. And subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.